स्टॉल के पिछे बैठे ने तो साडे जिवें फैशन में नवा कपड़ा भी नवा सूट नवा डिजाइन कि नवी किताब हो बच्चों नवी किताब नहीं पुरानी किताबा भी उन्नी वैलिड ने एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिजाइन की बुक लिंग्विस्टिक्स की बुक बेसिक बुक है यू कैन नॉट फॉरगेट साइकोमेट्री मेथड गिलफर्ड की बुक है यू कैन फॉरगेट कोई बुक तो अगे नहीं आती है कि चढ़ा की बुक आई हुई है साइकोमेट्री की वो फोटोस्टेट कापी लगती है नवी नवे फार्मूले नहीं बन के जब नवा फार्मूला नहीं बन के आएगा उद तक आईएमडी की बुक 70 की भी उन्नी वैलिड है 2010 की भी उन्नी वैलिड है किताब के नवे या पुराने होने नाल इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं कंटेंट इंपॉर्टेंट अच्छा कंटेंट अध्यापक को अच्छा कंटेंट पढ़ने की प्रवृत्ति चाहता है बच्चे अक्सर कहते हैं जी किताब औखी है उन्होंने गाइड करो डिक्शनरी खोलो उदो डिक्शनरी चको अपने मीनिंग देखो शब्द थोड़ी लर्निंग कदों होएगी औखे शब्द मैं ग्रहण करांगा सौखे वाल ना जावांगा जे अध्यापक विच गुण होएगा तो अध्यापक के गुण बच्चों में पाएगा तो सौखी किताब वाल जाइए सौखे कंटेंट वो वाल जाइए औखे वाल जाइए औखा मैनू सीखना आ गया सौखा तो मैनू आउंदा सी औखा सीखना आ गया मैं सब दी औखाइयां हल कर लिया अध्यापक ने अपने गुण बदलना पड़ेगा ये सिस्टम लैके आएगा तो प्रवृत्तियां मैनू अपने आप पैदा करनियां पैणगियां जिन्हों असीं फिर एक मनोविज्ञान सिद्धांत है जिन्होंने सेल्फ डायरेक्टेड लर्निंग कहते हैं वो आना पाएगा अध्यापक को आना पाएगा विद्यार्थियों को ठीक तरीके समझना पाएगा सिस्टम समझना पाएगा वो ताही असीं अध्यापक सिक्ख्या संजीदगी लिया सकते हैं उन्हें वधिया बना सकते हैं मेरा इस समय एक दौर को दोहराई कराउंदा हैगा कि सारे विद्यार्थियों वास्ते जो इस टाइम रिसिपिएंट है वी आर ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स चाहे प्रोवाइडर है चाहे तुम रिसिपिएंट है जो बी एड कर रहे हैं एम एड कर रहे हैं या एम फिल पी एच डी कर रहे हैं जिन्हें अगे अध्यापक सिक्ख्या के आके अपना योगदान देना है तुम डाकूमेंट्स को पढ़ो सुझाव दो थ्रू CD माध्यम दो डॉक्टर कुशविंदर बैठे ने शायद अपनी नौ दौर करके दवाई लाते हैं असी CD वालों गौरमेंट को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ HRD UGC सब असी अपने वालों कुछ यूनिट भेजांगे लिख के लगातार असी उस पब्लिक प्रैशर का हिस्सा बनांगे पंजाब यूनिट भी बाकी यूनिट भी साडे कंट्री के हिस्सा देंगे तो वो लोग कर रहे हैं जितने कर रहे हैं असी चुप करके ना बैठिए अपनी आवाज़ को बुलंद करिए ताकि अगर असीं अपनी सिक्ख्या को बचाना है सिक्खे जगत को बचाना है समाज को बचाना है सानू खुद उस दे विच योगदान देना पाएगा चुपचाप बैठ के असीं देख नहीं सकते कि जो हो रहा ठीक है सानू अच्छे वाल बनने लिए सानू थोड़ी उकाई कटनी पैगी वक्त औखा चल रहा है लेकिन वक्त औखे दे नाल समझौता नहीं करना है वक्त औखे नूं किद्दां कटना है उहदे लई तुहानूं अपने स्किल इंप्रूव करने पैणगीआं धन्नवाद
सिंह जी ने बहुत से पहलुओं को छेड़ा है और उनकी इस बात से मैं पूरी तरह से सहमत हूँ हमारी 4 बेसिक स्किल्स हैं लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग बच्चे इन चारों स्किल्स में वीक हैं वो लिसनिंग नहीं करते अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं करते वो आगे बोलते हैं वो स्पीकिंग नहीं करते वो कहते हम लिखेंगे वो राइटिंग नहीं करते वो टाइप करते हैं और वो रीडिंग नहीं करते बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल एट अ सिंगल ग्लांस ऑन इंटरनेट डोंट रीड बुक्स जस्ट टाइप द टॉपिक गेट द वर्ड एंड राइट सो दे ऑल आर वीक इन ऑल द स्किल्स अगर हम बात करते हैं लैंग्वेज की हमारे टाइम में हम तीनों लैंग्वेजेस सीखे हैं हम इंग्लिश भी बोलते हैं हम हिंदी भी बोलते हैं हम पंजाबी भी बोलते हैं लेकिन आज का बच्चा किसी लैंग्वेज को नहीं जानता नो लैंग्वेज इज परफेक्ट मोबाइल लैंग्वेज दिस इज यूज्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स सो आई एग्री विद द सर दैट द स्टूडेंट्स आर वीक इन बेसिक स्किल्स नाउ आई इनवाइट डॉक्टर के शर्मा former Pro Vice Chancellor, Northeastern Hill University, Nagaland. He is President, CTE, Haryana Chapter, so you are welcome here on the dais. Dr. K. Sharma, you are welcome here.
It is my pleasure to have a meeting at a short notice. I did not like to miss the meeting with my friends from Punjab. Under the circumstances, Mrs. Sharma could not come. Of course, I conveyed that she will accompany me. The paper which I wrote, because after retirement, when a person crosses his age of 80, then he starts thinking and reflecting the childhood, teenage, and the working at a speed later on in different institutions. The wider experience while leaving Punjab and having occasion to have education at the Center of Advanced Study in Education at Baroda. I recall great personalities like Professor M.B. Butch, the product of that institute, assumed many high positions in different universities and national institutes. When I was reflecting on the title which we have got for today's seminar, perhaps to my mind, time is too short, because it needs a thorough dialogue and interaction among friends, among young friends who are coming up. The day will come when they will teach in schools and make the destiny of the students. And the teacher educators, they are at crossroads to which way we are to go, to which way we can take a turn. At least I am lost. So the product of my thinking and experiences in different universities is the result of this paper. It may take a long time, but I would like to say a few important items for thinking of my young friends who are sitting at the rear and my very learned colleagues, my friends, close friends, who have assumed different positions in the universities in India. Friends, the background I don't like to read because of shortage of time. I am permitted to read my paper, maybe on the screen you can read it. Teacher education is a subsystem of education which seems to be radically potential, that endlessly creating new visions, responsive to environment factors, biological, social, economic and political. Because we are encompassed by these factors in 21st century. Because time is running and the education system, teacher education programs, they are not catching what is expected from them. Culturally, teacher education has been the outcome of Guru Shishya Parampara in India since ancient Vedic times that could give a spiritual vision through personal human touch. Islamic impact through sustained partially the Guru Shishya Parampara of ancient times, yet added new cultural perspectives of Islam in teacher education. With the advent of colonial rule, teacher education lost its human touch, glory and spiritual elevation. After independence of the country, India formed a new educational framework and policy in the background of Indian Constitution to gear up the economic and social ethos of Indian society under many constraints. Regional seminars were conducted on teacher education in order to orient teacher educators for bringing a change as per the reality and requirement of schools. At the initial stage, a few programs on teacher education were conducted at Chandigarh, Abbohar, Firozpur, Ajmer, Bhopal, Mysore, Bhubaneswar, at Kohima, where the self joined as in charge of newly created Department of Education by NEU at Kohima campus, Nagaland. The self already had exposed oneself to new innovations in teacher education at the Center of Advanced Study, which I have already mentioned. Historically, that could be the beginning of teacher education on new lines. At a later stage, national projects to strengthen teacher education like micro-teaching, mega-teaching, classroom interaction analysis were taken up in collaboration with the Department of Education at Anand, Gujarat, and the Department of Teacher Education and Extension, NCERT, New Delhi. In this background, we were empowered enough to extend that educational policy 68, 86, 92 were framed, and a national regulatory body named the National Council for Teacher Education, NCTE, under MHRD was established. National curriculum frameworks were periodically designed to make teacher education an effective and vibrant structure. Envisioning or revitalizing or rethinking of teacher education, which is a theme of today's seminar, can be rethought, redesigned in view of the following parameters. Parameters are explosion of population for a great country, feeding and educating the increasing number. It is a problem for all of us. Second, economic development, raising standard of living of the people after partition. Third, increasing number of youth, providing suitable jobs to them as per their competence. Increasing connectivity among the people from local village to the global village. Number 5, political stability, national will and vision of global leadership. Last, replacing terrorism with harmony and peace among nations. Now, in the background of these parameters, the changes in social and political structure, application of technology to solve societal problems, scientific development, and research in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Reference to P. Raghavan, a former IBM and Yahoo research veteran, The Hindu, April 18, very recently. We will have to mold ourselves while forming a positive attitude to bring out new models of teacher education that may pave the way for having quality in teacher education as per the emerging needs and requirements. I thought 5 models. First model is digital and skill development model, which is becoming fastly to have inbuilt innovation in teacher education. Not only in teacher education, but in life itself, in personal life also. So, in teacher education, every teacher trainee is required to be exposed to these dimensions. Out of these 5 models, we can think over which one is most important. But to my mind, all the 5, they are having contribution to be made in teacher education so that the ideas which were reflected in the morning session can be conceptualized, can be put into practice. Now, first model is digital and skill model, and these models have been shown in the diagram. I am leaving it. Emerging models of teacher education need to be drawn in the background of changing nature of individual, society, and also national need factored at the global scenario. These are discussed under digital and skill development model. The criterion is application of technology, connectivity, development of skills, reference to communication and professional development of teacher trainees. The tools being used are computer, cell phone, smartphone, internet, electronic projector, which is embedded in professional institutes, but it is required in colleges of education, in teacher education as well. Beginning has been made in the application of these tools in schools, colleges, universities, and research institutes. The training of teachers in the making need to be technological oriented. It would enable them to have an effective communication and save their time that could be invested in some other task productive to teaching and learning. The competency in teaching can be enhanced through the practice of micro-teaching, simulation and mega-teaching, communication skill, soft skill, life skill, and professional skill. This is the focus of the first model. Second, multicultural model. To your mind, it may be deviating from the nucleus of teacher training colleges. But I have got my own opinion because I was involved in the interdisciplinary international model very recently in Rajasthan at Sardar Shahar. The criterion is to encompass, cover the cultural ethos of different communities, different religions, staying together in India. the interest of each community is taken care of during teacher training programs. It should be taken into consideration when we are imparting training to the young people, that all the communities are existing together, living together. Their cultural ethos will be precious to be added. So, multicultural, when we say, it has got different religious ethos which are to be taken into consideration. Each community is possessing very valuable knowledge and material, language, customs, festival, rituals, and moral values that need to be included into the curriculum framework for training. In this model, the cultural ethos of each community are to be integrated in a